Hello. Oh, it's getting dark. It's getting dark. It's getting dark. Just moving you over here a little. Boy, the scenery is pretty darn boring compared to Bali, isn't it? Like, I'm really missing that. Pretty soon it'll be warm enough to be outside and do videos kind of earlier in the evening. I can't wait for that too. So hello, welcome to the video. If you're watching the replay, say hello. My dog Bailey's with me. There he is. So squishy and soft. It's really nice having him back, I have to say. Really nice. I'm having him back, me being back to be with him. I just got my computer here. I'm just gonna look, watch, see how the video's doing. There it is. All right. I'm doing more videos just in this group because you know what? This is where I want to spend most of the time. And this is what I mean, people should come and join this group, right? So if you have friends, anybody you know who's over 40, who's interested in health and wellness during this phase, please invite them to the group because this is, a lot of people are just joining me on like just my Diana Marchand. And I'm like, I don't post much there like you got, but how do they know, right? So I got to start telling more people to come to this group because this is where we, and I forgot to tell you guys I was going live. I have some really cool things coming up. So listen to this, 2 cool things. Well, more than that, believe me, but I have a couple cool things coming up. Hi, Tammy. You're so dedicated. Tammy was just on my live video with my 21-day group. I am just on here talking about, I was sharing with my 21-day, this new 21-day group is good. They're going to get all the videos to a new program I'm doing. So they're going to be the first ones to see some of the brand new videos I'm doing for a new program that I'm doing. The new program is going to be like a self-study. And someone gave me the idea, and boy, believe me, people have been asking about this forever. Quick, easy meals. Yeah, recipes, a recipe. So this, is it possible to have quick, healthy meals? Yes. But it's not something we're really used to doing. And the big, is that Janet? Hi, Janet. Janet, you still have that throw away that hummus, Janet. I'm coming. Janet has some hummus I made. I obviously not going to come pick up the hummus. Oh, good, Tammy. I'm so happy. Excellent. Invite friends or whatever. I need more people. I got to advertise more. Okay, that's something else to remind me about. Anybody from Nanaimo or Vancouver Island or Vancouver, I'm doing a workshop May 4th in Nanaimo. Message me, comment below. I'll give you the information. Come out. It's going to be amazing. It's going to be 3 hours. It's far more powerful to be in person with somebody. I can also help you specifically with things you're dealing with. And then we're going to, of course, generally talk about foods and stress reduction, things that help balance your body in a better way, right? All right. So I'm somebody who's been able to make healthy eating simple and do simple, quick, fast meals pretty easily. It's just something, but I learned how to do it. Like it's funny because I thought I've always been doing it, but I kind of never really always ate this healthy. So it was something that I learned to do. I wanted to learn how to do because I don't like to take hours. I'm the type, you know what, seriously, I don't have hours. Sometimes I like to cook really amazing dinners. Other times it's like, mostly I'm on the go. I'm an active person. I like to be out doing things, especially in the summer. And so I really am doing another program where it's going to be self-study, but you're going to get videos and recipes and you're going to be able to watch me make the foods, see how fast and easy they are. And then you'll get the recipe for them. So you're going to get like ideas from breakfast, smoothies to breakfast, to drinks, to meals and dinner. Like that's what I'm going to do. And so I'm really excited about it. It's going to take a heck of a lot of work to do all the videos and the recipes. But once I have it, it's going to be really powerful for those who say, I need visuals. I want to see, prove to me that it's fast and easy to do this. And then it's because sometimes we can read recipes, but it's like they look like they're going to take forever. They're like, oh my God, that's crazy. I'm not going to do all those steps. But when you see someone do it, it's like, oh, I see how they do it. Okay, that's quite fast. Like I can do that. And another thing is you're gonna see how I have food kind of ready in my fridge and stuff so that I can throw meals together, okay? And one of the things I was showing my 21-day group, it's my dog, is I do prepare a big bowl of veggies and stuff for salads or cooking. I can use these to cook. These are vegetables I can cook, or the vegetables that are raw. I can have raw in a salad. So I prepare something like this for myself, and then I keep my greens, you know, romaine lettuce, mixed lettuces, whatever, separate because they go bad faster. This can stay in the fridge 4 to 5 days. Now, of course, after 5 days, it's not the freshest thing in the world, but why I did it was when I worked full-time and even part-time. To make salads, it was way easier for me to have some veggies prepped in a bowl. When I got home, if I wanted to have a stir fry, I had veggies cut up in a bowl. Yes, I could add other vegetables to them, like bell peppers. For a salad, I could add cucumbers, tomatoes, things like that. They're separate because they go bad. So I just keep a hearty thing of vegetables that last longer. You can add cauliflower to this too. You can add some asparagus pieces to this. It's got broccoli, it's got cabbage, it's got carrots, green onions, celery. These things last, right? Like I said, it could have cauliflower in there too. Could have some asparagus, could have some green peas in there. Could have a few chickpeas in here, could have sunflower seeds and pumpkin seeds in here. And then you just put it on top of a bed of lettuce and you have your salad. Then just have a salad dressing made. In my new program, you're gonna get salad dressing recipes too. In all my programs, you get salads and salad dressing recipes and all the recipes and recipe videos also, okay? Just so you know, all my programs, you get recipes, videos, the how-to, all right? But I'm doing one specific just for recipes and videos for quick, easy meals. It's going to be a special program. And here's another thing that I wish I had a spoon. I have to say I don't make this all the time just because I don't buy a lot of coconut milk. But so I did it for the program video today. It's coconut milk, the premium coconut milk with chia gel, hemp seeds, blueberries, and a bit of stevia. It is so good. It's like yogurt. So for people who love yogurt, miss yogurt, want to have yogurt, but no, dairy isn't good for me. It's not good for my face. Gives me wrinkles, makes me look like crap, gives me mucus, right? Whatever. Then something like this with coconut milk, just make sure it's a good organic one with not a lot of crap in it, okay? Like really read your labels. The chia seeds, the hemp seeds are extremely high in omega-3s, the complete proteins, antioxidants, fiber. Chia is high in calcium. So they're so nutrient dense for you, right? Blueberries, especially wild blueberries, are extremely high in antioxidants, really good for you. And then the coconut milk, well, it's not, I mean, because it's canned, it's not like the best, right? But it's not the worst thing you could have. So if you're somebody who's like, wants to have this every once in a while, it's something creamy. You can use it like an afternoon snack, an evening snack, and of course, first thing in the morning, right? That's what I tend to have, something like this. So that's another quick and easy thing. That's part of my new program that I'm doing. So there's just ways of doing things that can make it easy to eat healthy. But if you're not aware of them or you haven't done them or they're not part of your practice, then it's like, we think of every time if we have to make a meal, we got to start from scratch and cut everything and go to the store and buy the foods and then go home and then cut everything and then wash and cut and prepare. And it seems like it's going to take hours, right? But that's not what I do. Sometimes, but not very often. Often I have a lot of things in my fridge, prepped. I have things in my pantry that are the basics I know I use to make meals, the building blocks to meals, if you want to say. So I keep things in my fridge, freezer, cupboards, and all that are the building blocks to meals. So that when I come home, I just have to, okay, what do I have? I'm going to throw this with this, with this, with this, and I'm going to have this. Something so easy. Lots of times, some of the things are already prepared in the fridge, like quinoa. Quinoa's cooked in the fridge, ready to go. I can eat it cold in salads. I can have it hot, you know, with veggies, right? Things like that. So that's really what I say. I think people think that, oh, healthy eating is so complicated and it takes so long, but that's because you're starting from scratch. You're telling yourself you don't go buy groceries consistently enough, or you don't keep the healthy foods in your fridge or in your cupboards. And so therefore you have nothing to build a meal with, really, right? So remember, it takes having those foods with you. And I know some people say, what if I don't use them? They're just going to go bad in my fridge. And I hear that at the grocery stores. People around me will say, because I'm always buying tons of veggies and greens, right? And they'll say, oh, it just goes bad. I don't want to buy all that. It just goes bad in my fridge. And I'm like, what? How does it go bad? Cook it, right? Like, use it. So things that I have as staple is celery. Celery's really a big staple for me. I make celery juice in the morning. I chew on celery and carrots as my snacks. Like, well, I always have those. And it's not that they're the best snacks in the whole wide world, you guys. No. Is that I know they're high in fiber. I know that celery's good, really good. I know that if I don't have a snack, I'm going to want to go grab a snack, and I'll probably choose something not so good for me. So by having those things there, plus I usually carry pumpkin seeds and almonds, raw almonds and raw pumpkin seeds in a little Ziploc thing. Now, yeah, it's not the best tasting things in the world, but again, it's often the act of snacking that we want, right? I know that if I don't have those things, I'm going to want something else. I also choose energy bars. They're called Hornby Island. They're made off one of the islands around here. I always have those energy bars with me. Right? So that's another way, is you just got to make sure that you have things. And it does require shopping probably more often. But now you get used to what you buy and you get faster. Same with prepping your food. I can prep a thing like this really, really fast. I happen to buy organic, so I just rinse them. It's not a lot of cleaning and stuff. I rinse things really well. I cut them, chop them, throw in a bowl, or grate them. I do it when I'm listening to a video, when I'm watching, I'll do my weekend prep when I'm watching a movie, a chick flick, or when I'm watching something on YouTube, when I'm listening to my coaches. Today, I did this while listening to my coach's videos. Okay, that's how I love having the time to be able to listen to videos or watch a chick flick or anything like that. And I'm also being productive by making or prepping my food and making sure I have some healthy things for me for the whole week, right? These are just some things that you may not be used to doing, but when you add them to your day or when you add them to your life, they're going to make a huge difference. And not only in having the food, eating the right foods give you the energy, decrease in inflammation, better skin, more balanced body, as in your hormones, your insulin levels, your cravings will greatly decrease, right? You will start to lose weight. You certainly won't gain any more weight if you start eating healthy, right? You'll have the weight gain will stop, your body will start to function better, get into better balance, then you'll probably start to lose weight. You'll get better healthy, better skin, better hair, better nails. You won't retain water as much. Your digestive problems will decrease. You'll have more sustained energy all day. All of those things are a result of eating good, right? Of eating the right foods for this phase of your life. And it just takes developing a few little habits and learning a few things so everything can come together, and then implementing them in your life in a way that works for you. So my new program is really going to be about, meals. It's going to be like throwing these things together for certain meals, like how to throw together and how to prep, how to kind of prepare so that you can have healthy meals, and kind of how to make them, and really, really watch and see, oh my God, that's easier than I thought. Or you're right, I can do that. I can totally do that. And you can even watch them while you're making what I'm making in the video, because you will have this. It's going to be a self-study program, so you can do it whenever you want. You can watch videos whenever you want. I don't know what it's called yet. It's coming out. I just thought of it today and I started doing the videos today. So that is coming. And then my workshop. And there was one other thing that I totally forgot. Other than my stress reduction program is coming. A new stress reduction program. And stress reduction and self-care. Busting the stress to better balance your body. Busting the stress to better balance your body is my next 21-day program. And it's going to be on that plus ways like getting everybody to take start certain practices and habits to take better care of yourself, saying yes to yourself, stop saying yes to everybody else and no to yourself. So it's all going to be around that. It's all going to be around kind of the mindset, standing up, being who you truly are, being true to you, and beginning to live your life in a more powerful way. That's right for you. That's also coming up. So really cool things. But if you're somebody who really thinks that healthy eating or healthy meals is very complicated, takes way too much time, and you just can't be bothered, then you'll probably need my next program. Or any of my 21-day programs where I do that with the food, because you learn that in all the programs also, right? Yeah, mind, body, spirit, all of that we deal with in my programs. All right, thank you for watching. If you have any comments or questions, post them below. Make sure to let me know that you watched the replay. Just say hello or watching replay. Give me a like, a love, whatever. All right. Enjoy your night. Bye-bye.